Who is your life partner? Your wife or husband? Your mom? Your dad? Your son? Your daughter? Or your friends? None, my dear friends. No one is your life partner. Not at all. Your real life partner is your body. Once your body stops responding, no one is with you. You and your body stay together from birth to till death. What you do to your body is your responsibility, and that will come back to you. The more you care for your body, the more your body will take care of you. What you eat, what you do for being fit, how you deal with your stress, how much rest you give to your body will decide how your body is gonna respond to you. Remember, my dear friends, your body is the only permanent address where you live. Your body is your asset. Your body is your liability, which no one else can share. Your body is your own responsibility, my dear friends, because you are the real life partner. Be fit forever. Take care of yourself. Money comes and goes. Relatives, friends are not permanent, my dear friends. Remember, no one can help you with your body other than you. Pranayam, do pranayam for lungs, meditation for mind, yogasanas for body, walking for heart, good food for stomach, good thoughts for the soul, and good karma for the world. Take care of your body. Your body will definitely take care of you.